What's going on, guys? Rob from Clicks Geek, and today's video we're going to run through a case study for a dentist who does braces, actually an orthodontist who does braces, implants, and all that kind of stuff. I think cosmetic too as well. So we're going to run through that today. Before we dive into that, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We drop training videos and Google Ads almost daily and case studies, stuff like that. All right, so let's get into this today. Grab my coffee real quick. All right. My dollar store mug. Okay, so you're looking at the account right here, last 30 days, which is December 14th to January 12th today. Very small campaign, guys. All right, so we're using broad match in this campaign, only for the fact that it's so tightly, the budget's so small. So with $33 a day, you can see here it's limited by budget. They've gotten 2,700 impressions, 95 clicks. 3.5% click-through rate. Average cost per click was about $10, $9.91. Total cost for the month for the client was $941. They've gotten out of this 28 leads at a cost per lead of $33. Conversion rate 29%. I'm extremely happy with that. You can see here the bidding strategy we're using is Target CPA. If you don't know what Target CPA is, go to our Clicks Geek channel and look at bidding strategy playlist, and I'll walk you through exactly what it is and how it works. All right, next up, we're going to go into conversion actions, because these are contact form submissions and phone calls. So you can see here we have our phone call set up. 2 phone calls came in, and you got 7 contact form submissions and 19 call extension calls. All right, so 19 leads, and these are phone calls. 19 phone calls came from the call extension on the ad. Then we've gotten 7 leads that came from the contact forms. Those are forms submitted, and the phone call, which is call rail, which is calls that come directly from the website. There's been 2. So if we go back into the campaign here, you're going to see the kind of ad groups we're running. Very small campaign, like I said. Target CPA we set was $50. You can see here it's coming in just nicely under that, $33. And they're in McLean. So there's our geo ad group, orthodontist. They're going after Invisalign stuff. They're going after braces and just general orthodontist keywords. So if we go into the keywords, you can see here we're doing broad match and phrase match and exact match. Pretty tightly themed keywords. If we go into the braces ad group, you'll see this. Teeth braces, invisible aligners. So you're not allowed to really use Invisalign in the ads. So unfortunately I can't show you guys the ads because of the client's privacy, but we try to use invisible braces instead to kind of get around that. So you can see that keyword in here a few times. A lot of cost type keywords. Let's sort by conversion. So yeah, you can see here. Some good stuff, some good keywords in here. Invisalign dentist. We got no action on these, surprisingly. Let's go to McLean. Got no action on that either. So yeah, it's pretty much 2 ad groups are driving this. Again, this is a really small campaign, so we didn't really do too much with it. There's not really much we can do. It's a very small location too that they're targeting. It's like 5-mile radius around their office. So for the results though, 28 leads in a month, spending what, $900? Pretty good. You know, you don't have to turn many of those into a deal to make your money back, times 10. You know. All right, guys. So that's all I got for you today on the orthodontist campaign. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments section below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out the links in the description. I'm going to put some stuff in there for you guys to check out. All right, guys. Later.